If you've built a strong brand and you're ready to introduce collaboration online, you'll want these sessions to feel like an extension of your brand. And that's why we've designed Surfly to be fully white labeled. With Surfly, you can fully customize the platform in your own styles and communicate with customers with the channels they already know. Agents can embed Surfly into whatever processes and systems they are already using, so nothing much needs to change for them either. In this video, I'll explain how you can deliver your customers a fully branded experience, how you can keep using your existing communication channels, and how you can ensure that your agents don't have to change the way they work. Surfly lets you make co-browsing feel like an integral part of your service by keeping consistent with the styles and formats that your customers are expecting. Surfly runs from your own website where you have full control over exactly what kind of flow you want to offer your customers and how they should look. We don't force you to shoehorn predefined steps or styles into your workflows. Our simple but powerful JavaScript API lets you design the exact customer journey you need. You decide who starts the session, where they click, what happens when they do, and how others can join. So because you design your flow, it's completely subject to your own creativity. You can deliver the exact experience that you want and transform your website or web app into a collaborative space. And we believe that you know your customers better than we do. And this is why our technology has been designed to act as a toolkit that empowers you to offer the exact step-by-step flow that you decide works best for the customers you serve. And you can do it your way and not ours. Surfly sessions are joined by clicking on a URL. You'll need to send this link to your customers somehow, and it should look right when you do. You can use Surfly to send the link over SMS or email, but you're also completely free to use your own channels. Surfly supports a range of webhooks that we can send you based on different events. And then you can use this information to send communications to your customers in your own channels with the right content at the right time and with your own branding. The link that you send can also look however you like. Surfly supports custom domains, which means that your customers will get an invite link that looks like your website. This also helps with trust, as users see the familiar domain they recognize and they don't have to worry about things like phishing. You can make co-browsing feel like an integral part of your service by keeping consistent with the communication styles and formats that your customers expect. And this also helps avoid any potential complications with your network or IT policies. You can fully white label the internal experience as well. Outside of the sessions, the Surfly app lets you remove all Surfly branding. And if you want to, you can use your own logos and colors to make the platform feel like an extension of your ecosystem. And you don't even have to use the Surfly app. If you would prefer to initiate and join co-browsing sessions from the platforms your agents already know, Surfly can be completely embedded into other tools, so nobody ever has to leave the spaces they're familiar with working on. You can even go one step further, and instead of embedding Surfly, you can use our API to access our functionality from another tool directly. It can be as simple or as complex as you want. You don't have to worry about getting everyone set up on a new platform either. We support single sign-on, which means that your agents log in using the credentials they already have. Nobody has to remember another password or log into co-browsing separately from anything else. Surfly can be hosted on the cloud or deployed on your own servers. You own the collaborative experience end-to-end and can deploy, manage, and use Surfly the way that works best for you. Surfly is a fully white-labeled solution, so you retain the branding expected by your customers across every stage of the interaction. Nothing needs to change in the way you communicate with your customers or the channels that you're using. Your agents can embed Surfly into the systems that they already use day to day, so you can completely integrate co-browsing tools into their workspace without changing anything. To find out more about white labeling or the collaborative experience with Surfly, reach out to sales@surfly.com or visit our website to find contact information or book a demo.